All right, safety glasses back on. I took the top of this key off, and what my plan is to cut it and put it on here. I'll show you guys what I mean. What's up, everybody? My name is Eric Bland, hair all over the place today. What we're going to do is we're going to take an old lamp, which the lamp looked like this. It was broken on the bottom. Take that out of the trash. I'm going to use the extra parts. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, by the way. If you haven't, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. And I took this out of there, including this piece that goes inside the on-off switch. All right. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in this. I disassembled this already. Here's the top half. See, it's the stop guide. I'm going to reassemble his hand a little bit, so which you guys will see here in a little while. But we're going to go ahead and structure this in. I've already drilled a hole in the back right here. So how I'm going to do it, so I'm going to slide this baby through. I'm going to use this one here. Let me just tighten that up like so. Slide that back through here like that. Tighten this bolt up. Like so. Perfect, perfect. And then I'm going to put this piece inside. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put this cord through. We could probably put them one time. Easier. Take it apart. This is the greatest part about doing stuff from scratch, making it yourself. And then I'm just gonna take pliers and I'll pull it through. Hopefully it doesn't break it. Here we go, then I'll pull the rest through. So they're even. All right. Like so. And I'm going to pull a whole lot more extra than I really truly need. And I'll connect this piece back on. Put this piece, throw it through here. Tighten it up. From either side, holding the back, twisting, just like so. Then what I'm going to do is I'll take this and let's go ahead and wire this up. Just going to wrap this around, screw it, put it nice and tight around like so, tucking that up under there. And screwing that down. And then this one goes here. Doing the same thing, you're going to do the wrap around on it. Make sure it's not touching the plastic. So, and I'm going to pull the cord from behind. And then we're going to go ahead and put a cap on it, just like so. I'll do it like this. I'll leave it on. In order to turn this off, I'll just go ahead and unplug it, which is okay. It's perfectly fine for me. What we're going to do is we're going to test it out. Screw in, or screw the light bulb in. Let's just see if this works. Right, it does, as you can see. And then what we're going to do is we're going to place this back over, and it works. About that. I don't care for the bottom half, the walk part, that's okay. There's a reason I want to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to adjust that now. Huh, I wonder why that's, we're going to have to fix that. That's probably why they threw the, so we'll just unplug it just like this. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom half, let's go ahead and screw that in. Well, actually, let's not screw that in yet. Because we got the stand, which is over here, for free from the guy. He was just throwing it away. So we're going to go ahead and put it up on the stand somehow. I'm not sure how we're going to do it yet, but we'll get it done. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the topper on. Alright, just like so. This guy out of here. So we put it in the wrong way. Stripping it out a little. Okay. Well, that was on there pretty good, wasn't it? All right. So let's stand her back up. Put this one on. Just like so. And we'll be able to put that one back on. Perfect. I'm going to stop this video for just a moment. I'll just do this other side since it's here. battery out of everything so the kids don't mess around with it. Smells like burnt plastic, which those little plastic pieces were on there. I'm gonna scratch this on the cement down here so there's no loose bars. You could use sandpaper as well. All right, so that was my thought process. See this T here, and then there's a screw that goes back down in there. So what we could do is we could have it like this. Give me just 1 second. All right, so I went ahead, and this had like a little lip on it, and I had to cut that down. It smells like a fire going on over there. So I had to cut it down so it's flush, so I could get a little bit more, a few more inches there to put this on. All right, so how I'm gonna do this is I'm gonna put it like this. All right. I'm going to put this on like that. Swing it around. I'll take this. Does that give me enough room? Still doesn't give me enough room. Enough, wouldn't it? There we go. I'm going to do it like this, so we need a shorter piece of wood. All right, I think I can do a little bit thinner than that wood there. I think I got a scrap here. So I think I figured it out. So I'm going to use this piece of wood here. I'm going to use another thin piece of wood in there for a stopper on there. And I'm going to use a washer, which I have right here. Stop that screw from going through. Alright, so let's go ahead and pull this up. So, and the washer. See there. Really could use a larger screw here. All right, we can move this one up. The bottom one was stripped when I first had it, so now this is still, let's adjust this here. screw this one down in there. And it should be good. Now let's turn it on. I may have adjusted the finger a little bit, but there we go. It's on. And then now what I can do is I can take this and I can go up or down, which this will be. Put this more down, like that. Now it's on the stand. Now let me pull you guys down so you guys can see it. There we go. That does it.